When the storms of life are raging high, and the clouds of doubt obscure the sky, when the wind is cold and the road is long, you become my anchor and my song. I don't have to fear what the night may bring, for I am tucked beneath your mighty wing. Though 1,000 fall at my side, in your secret place I will hide. You're the keeper of my soul, the only one who stays in control. You are my shelter, you are my shield. To your authority I gladly yield. Safe in the hollow of your mighty hand, on the solid rock of Christ I stand. You're my fortress, my tower of strength. I found the height and the depth and the length. Oh, the love that protects me through the night. My shelter, my shield, my light. When the enemy comes in like a flood, I am covered by the power of the blood. No weapon formed shall ever prevail. For your covenant promise can never fail. You go before me and you guard my back. There is no blessing that my life shall lack. My hiding place, my hiding place, my resting place, my resting place, my deliverer, my protector, my protector. You are my shelter, you are my shelter, you are my shield, you are my shield. To your authority, I gladly yield. Oh, you are my shelter, you are my shelter, you are my shield. To you are my shield. I am safe in your arms. I am secure in your love. No more worry, no more fear, no more, because you are here. On the solid rock I stand. All of the ground is sinking sand. You are my shield. You are my shield, my shelter, my shield.